here's some advice for your health, a health tip for those who have encountered the storm. So, I wanted to talk about fall slips. The ice is here. What is the worst that can happen? Yes, branches are falling. It is cold. Everything is frozen, including your hair, your fingers, your nose, your toes, water, pretty much air. Air is frozen. It is cold. But I want to remind you of something that's so important. Don't fall. So you decide to go out of your house, you take your assistive device with you. That's great, and it keeps you safe. However, there is ice out there. There's ice on the ground. You already feel insecure and are afraid of falling. So I want to remind you about something today. Don't fall. I've had so many patients as well as family members live lives that are devastated because of a fall. See, I'm a board certified family medicine osteopathic physician who has been practicing medicine for over 10 years. And I've seen the devastation effects of falls. Did you know life is in the bones? And if you break one, like a hip, your life can change drastically. I've even seen people who have broken an arm, broken wrist, broken ribs. Life has changed drastically. So how do you prevent this, you say? Well, I have the answer. Let's talk about it. Consider looking into proper footwear. You need something with a good grip. Now, I looked into some resources out there, and they actually do have grip shoes that you can actually use. So maybe you might want to look into your insurance company and to your benefits to see if you can use some of your outside benefits to get those shoes. Please also, another idea is to get somebody to be with you at all times. So if you decide you just have to go out there and you have to go out there during this time of ice, please make sure you have somebody with you. That way they can help you. They can catch you when you fall. Have somebody walk with you. Now, what happens if they fall and pull you down? So I'm telling for both of you what you could do. Make sure the ground is thoroughly clear. Now, that's another point, another key here. So make sure it's salted very well. Even sometimes when you see those slick areas where it's just like a covering, that could be ice and you just don't know it. So make sure it's thoroughly clear. You see that salt there. Maybe walk in some of those areas where you see the salt granules. Remember, the foundation also of your walkway could also be disrupted because of ice. So ground leveling can happen because the cold and the ice can impact the ground. And so now the ground that you thought was nice and flat now is unleveled, and then you can trip and you can fall. The most important thing I want to drive home with you is don't fall, okay? Don't fall. If no one is with you, another option is to have your cell phone or one of those assistive devices with you. So carry your cell phone, make sure it's charged, put it in your pocket. So if that does happen, you can have access to somebody because maybe the neighbors are not around. Maybe it's at night. Maybe it's a time where everybody's at work. No one's out there and you'll be on the ground for a while and you don't want your body to come in contact with that cold. Take small steps. That's another key point. Take small, purposeful steps. And if you begin to slide, don't panic. All right? Again, I'll say it again. Don't panic. Okay? Try to relax. Try to take some deep breaths. Remember our breathing. You're going. So it's better to fall lightly and slowly than to fall hard and an impact because your body weight definitely now impacts everything. So I want you to do that. If you can try to control it, then control it. If you have an electric device or a wheelchair, I want you to call the manufacturer to see if there's an option there, okay? To see if they have some options that you can use for your events, okay? For you going out in your electric device. Don't just go out there. Don't just believe that those wills are important. You also have the option of waiting and getting others to help you. So during this time, use this time to catch up on those soaps, to catch up on that TV, to catch up on that marathon. That may be a good idea. Catch up on that reading. Catch up on My Medical Moments with Dr. Luella Ioka. Book a section. Try it out. Maybe you have a lot of chronic medical conditions that you don't understand. Maybe you have a lot of medications that you just don't understand. And you need that information to help you to be a better medical consumer. So you can do that. You can catch up on your favorite YouTube channels and subscribe to mine right now. And you click that subscribe button, okay? If you have a family member that you know that's been affected by a fall, I want you to help them. I want you to get information. How can you get information? Definitely contact your council of aging. Contact your local resources, okay? Contact your local primary care physician. Find out where you can get resources to help you to understand how to get rid of the ice. Contact the local company. Let them know that you're a high fall risk. Let your home care company know. Let somebody know. Speak out about it. If you need further help, book a session with me and we can go through this together. I'll help you with resources. I'm here to help you. Go to mymedicalmoments.health website. I'm waiting on you. So don't slip, don't fall. This is Dr. Luella Ioka. Now, also, if this was helpful, again, subscribe to my YouTube channel by pushing that subscribe button now. Have a happy, healthy day.